Do you want to make a new avatar just like this for your YouTube channel and all your social media profiles? Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy using Canva. Welcome to the Conversations on Content. My name is James and I help content creators create better content. Do you need a logo for all of your social media profiles? Today we're going to show you a simple, easy way to make a profile that anybody can do in just a few minutes. Let's dive in and get started. So today we're going to create a new logo. And so we're going to go to Canva and we're just going to hit logo. This gives us a blank canvas. This is a 500 by 500 canvas. And we're going to start with a few elements. Alright, so we just search per circle under elements. And some of these are free. If you're using Canva Pro like I am, then there's premium versions. But there's also older versions. We can go here. And I like this double circle because that's going to actually help me a lot with what we're trying to create. And there's several different ways you can do it. You can even do a gradient fill circle or just do a plain circle. I'm going to just do this one. For our outer border, we want to choose green. And for our inner border, we are going to go and choose a forest green. And this is going to be recreating the other logo that we have. So we want to kind of fill up as much of the outer space as we can. Now we want to go to back to our elements. Go back to our recently used. And we want to choose this circle frame. And now what I want to do is I want to take this circle frame and I just want to fill it in that inner circle. And so there I have the frame. And you see I just have a thin line of that border, which is great. Now what I want to do is I want to find a photo for the frame. So I'm going to go to Uploads, and I'm going to choose one of my pictures right here. And now I grab the picture and I just move it around, and it will fill in the frame. Now, you can either just leave it like this. If you have Canva Pro, you can go select the picture, go to Edit Image, just do Background Remove. And that will remove the background from your image. So now you just have that with your dark green background in the forefront. And then I have that, and I can even kind of move my picture around a little bit. I can blow it up, which means then I can move it around and center myself in the picture. And there we go. Now I want to go here, edit image. And now I can change the brightness. And change the contrast. Saturation just a little bit. Go to blur. Now this is how you sharpen your image in Canva. It's weird. But if you go blur, it blurs the image. But if I go the other way, it sharpens the image. So I go a negative blur. It's going to help sharpen the image just a little bit. I don't want to go too much because it will distort the image. You see how it starts distorting the image if I go too far. But if I just go, usually I go less than 10. And that gives you a much sharper image. We can add some warmth. That's going to kind of change your coloring just a little bit. Vibrance kind of helps highlight. Highlights will kind of highlight the lighted up portions of your face. You can also do shadows, which will kind of bring out the shadow portions of your face. Or you can go up on the shadow to reduce shadows on your face. And that's really helpful if you took a picture that was uneven lighting. And if you wanted to make it somewhat transparent, you can go to fade and it'll kind of add some transparency to it. But I don't really want to fade it. Add a little clarity, and there we go. So now I have this new logo with my face, and I can zoom it out. So that's about what it would look like on a thumbnail, or say in my images on YouTube where it shows up. Now we want to go here, and if you are a Canva Pro, you can do this. You can go to Download, It has a little crown. Anything that has a little crown means you have to be a pro member in order to use that feature. But I can do that, and this will make the white parts around the outside transparent so that you'll just have the circle logo. Download everything, and it will be in my downloads folder. There is my new logo with myself on it. So as you go through, you're going to find this avatar on all of my social media platforms. So you'll see the same avatar on my Facebook. You'll see it on YouTube. You will see it on my Instagram. You're going to see it on my TikTok. You're going to see it on my Clubhouse. Everywhere that I go that I'm doing content for this channel, I'm going to use the same avatar so that people begin to recognize me wherever they find me. Hope that this helps, and we'll see you in this video right here where we go into more details on how to create content to start your YouTube channel. See you in that video. Have a great day.